Snipe Squad, what is going on? Back again, it is your boy Sniper Jones, and I am back with another video for your head top. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. As you guys see in the title, today I'm gonna be doing a different type of video. As we all know right now, the quarantine is just becoming longer and longer, and one of the most frequent questions I always get asked is, how do I start a YouTube channel? What's the best tips on how to start a YouTube channel? How can I go about starting a YouTube channel? And seeing what's going on right now, this epidemic, and everybody's in the house with nothing to do, no excuses to make. I kind of made this video kind of on what to do as a sneakerhead for quarantine. Basically today I'm gonna be telling you guys the best tips and really pretty much how to start a YouTube channel from scratch, even like today in 2020. Now honestly, what I tell people right now is, for me, YouTube isn't a hobby. You know, it started off as a hobby, but now it's like a full-time job. And the cool thing about that is I love what I do. You know, I love making videos. I love the content that I make. I have complete control over the content I make. That's one reason why I love being a YouTuber, because I never really had the mindset to work for other people. Even when I have to work for other people, it's still like, listen, bro, I'm just here until I don't have to be here. And if you're one of those persons, if you've ever been one of those people who don't really like the fact that you have to listen to this guy and this guy, be a YouTube creator. It's one of the best ways to be your own boss. Now with that being said, it's a lot more work that goes behind the camera than you think. A lot of people think you just turn it on, record, and upload. No. I wish I wish it was that easy. It's a lot that goes into being a YouTuber. It's a lot that goes into the business side when it comes to deals and stuff like that later down the line. But honestly, you're the thing that make it go, and you can be the thing that ultimately makes it stop at the end of the day. So we're gonna get pretty much into just about everything, man. But before we get started, I gotta tell you guys, the road to 100,000 is still a goal by the end of the year. The quarantine is definitely slowing down. The content is slowing down. So I'm gonna have to really hump it the next few months to pick up some steam, because we lost a lot so far in March, and going into April, man, I just want to pick it back up as best as I can. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Also, make sure you smash the like button so this video can work in the algorithm a little bit more. We can try to help as many aspiring YouTubers as we possibly can. Now, without further ado, let's just get into some ideas and ways you can start your YouTube channel this year in 2020. All right, so as I was telling you guys in the beginning, right now everybody is in the house. Everybody has nothing to do because everything is shut down early and schools are down. So if you are one of those people who want to start a YouTube channel, right now is the perfect time to do it. So many people come to me and they say the reason why they can't start a channel is mainly because they don't have a camera or they don't have the equipment. My favorite thing to tell people is, I work with a lot of YouTubers, and I know a lot of YouTubers who have over 100,000, 300,000 subscribers, and they only use their cell phones. We are in this day and age where like our iPhone shoots 4K, but we like, yo, bro, I don't have a camera. Like, what, bro? Like, what do you mean you don't have a camera? Your iPhone shoots 4K, bro. What do you mean you don't have a camera? We all have a camera. All you have to do is get your phone, turn it sideways, and record. You can buy you a small little handheld tripod from Amazon for about 20 bucks and get you an external mic for like 15 bucks and be about your way. They literally got like some that come in a whole 1-2 pack, so you just get the whole bundle together for like $35, $40, 50 tops. You don't need one of these big cameras like I got right now. I'm using like a mirrorless camera, the Canon M50. That's what I choose. Before that, I had an even bigger camera, the Canon T5i, was super outdated, but I still made videos on it. I think that the quality is important, I'm not gonna hold you, but one thing that's more important than even the quality, in my opinion, is the consistency of which you upload. So even YouTubers that already started their channel and already started their channel journey, I get a lot of DMs from people asking me, how do I grow? And the best thing that I can say, how consistent you are with videos. Now me, before this crazy stuff started happening, you guys know I upload just about every single day. Now, you don't have to upload that much. I think the YouTube algorithm doesn't only, you know, look out for the people who upload on an everyday basis, but as long as you drop in a nice amount throughout the month, I think your channel can grow substantially. Now, what I want to preach is you still want to choose like quality over quantity, because if you got 1,000 videos out there and they are trash, you might get the views, but are you getting the subs, right? Say if I put out a video and the thumbnail looks great and it catches your eye and somebody watches it, but the content is pretty trash, they're gonna watch it, And when they find out it's trash, they're gonna leave. You don't want that. Your main objective is when you get people in, when people start watching your channel, when they click and they watch a video, you want them to be able to stay. You want them to hit the subscribe button, be a regular, come through, you know what I'm saying, leave comments. You want them to be a part of whatever community you're trying to grow. So I think that's very, very important. That's one thing that I focus on. Whenever I make videos, I try my best to put my personality in it. I try my best to edit it as well as possible. I make sure the lighting is great. Some videos come out more than others, but as long as your intentions is to making that the best video you possibly can, I think I can live, me personally, I can live with the outcome as long as I put everything I can into that type of video. Another thing I want to talk to you guys about is a lot of people don't know what to name their channel. You know what I'm saying? I know some people spend at least 7 months trying to think of a channel before they come out with the videos. As crazy as this gonna sound, the channel name doesn't matter. And I know you're looking at me like like I'm crazy, but it really doesn't matter. It doesn't matter what the name of your channel is because your content is speaking for your channel. So for example, my channel wasn't called Sniper Jones and it was called Whoop-De-Doo-Wah. If these videos were still bangers, people would be like, hey, yo, you mess with Whoop-De-Doo-Wah, he nice. It's the same thing as if I don't know if you guys are into clothing, but if I was to come to you and I was to say, hey man, I'm coming out with a clothing line called Pink Dolphin, you're gonna look at me like, bro, what are you talking about? What is Pink Dolphin? Does that even make sense? It sounds crazy, right? A clothing line called Pink Dolphin. Like, bro, what are you talking about? The name does not make sense, but at the end of the day, the actual clothing is dope. So the clothing kind of sells the name. Same thing with I don't know, Billionaire Boys Club. This is another clothing brand. I'm not sure if all you guys know about these clothing brands, but Billionaire Boys Club is a clothing brand and it's called Billionaire Boys Club. So you would think that the logo would have to do with something of that type. It's a Martian. It's a moon man. It's literally a moon man holding a flag. What does that have to do with Billionaire Boy? Like, what does that have to do with anything? The fact of the matter is the clothing is dope enough to dictate the name. You know what I'm saying? The quality and the content makes the name of the channel. Your name and the channel don't make the quality. Just because you got a nice name don't mean you got nice videos. But if you got nice videos, I like the name. You know what I'm saying? You see how it goes? Almost like face card. Some people might not like. I remember when Lil Uzi Vert came out. I'm like, bro, this dude name is Lil Uzi Vert. What type of name is Lil Uzi Vert? What does that even mean? Held the summer down for about 4-5 summers. I don't even care what his name is. His name could have been Lil Boy on them foes. If his name was Lil Boy on them foes, I would have still been listening to the music because it's fire. It's fire. So hopefully those analogies helped. I know it was a little bit all over the place, but my main point I wanted to tell you guys was don't spend so much time stressing on a name. Is it important? I mean, kinda, but it's not to the point where you want to delay making videos for months on end because you don't have a name yet. So don't stress too much about the names or nothing like that. Next up is kind of like what type of videos you want to put out there. Now you guys know my channel. If you're new to my channel, you can look behind me and you get a very, very great description on what I do. And that's why I love having this sneaker wall behind me, because if you're new to my channel and you want to know what my channel is about, it does not take long at all for you to actually understand what I do. And whenever you're doing YouTube videos, it's kind of important to cut to the chase and make what you're here for automatic. That's why if you look at a lot of backgrounds of YouTubers, whether vloggers, how-to guys that kind of help you with tutorials, pretty much everything around them is kind of centered on what they do. So when you're watching, it makes the audience easy to actually, you know, sit back and take what you're saying serious. Now, if I was here talking to you guys about sneakers and I had nothing behind me but a pair of Timberland boots, I highly doubt you'll take me serious. It's no different than a trainer trying to help you lose weight and he's overweight himself. If you got a 600-pound trainer telling you how to get a six-pack, are you really gonna listen? No, not at all. And honestly, I don't think you should. Okay, you have to practice what you preach, be an example of what you're putting out there. So my way of going about it was I always thought, hey, look, let me put my collection behind me, put some dope sneakers behind me, let people know I am of the culture, I know what I'm talking about. And I think that, you know, you get a little bit more respect off the top. So whenever you're starting a YouTube channel, one thing I don't hear a lot of people talking about is how important your background setup is. Now, once again, that does not mean not make a video for 20 years because you don't have a background setting. If you're just getting started, cool. But as you're making videos, gradually change it. Never let anything stop you from making the content. If you guys go back to my first video, I didn't have no sneakers behind me. I had a dirty shoe rack. it was polo boots in there. It was Air Force Ones. It was disgusting. But I did not allow a lack of any type of background to stop me from making videos at the end of the day. The way I look at it, man, if you want to create content, create the content and make the changes as you're creating. Do not try to figure everything out and then finally make the video. You just have to adjust, man. In life, you adapt or you die. You know what I'm saying? So I want to tell you guys, if you're in this stage right now of trying to come up with content, start making it. And as you make it, make the changes. Okay, cool. Get lights here, get lights here. Put this behind me. Get this, get that, get that. Just make it first and change it as you go. Don't try to get it all at once and put it out because you're kind of prolonging what's going on. When it comes to content, it's so many ways you can go about it. And I'm gonna be honest, and it's probably gonna rub a lot of creators the wrong way. If you're a YouTube creator, you probably won't like this as much, but I mean, it's just the truth. It's just the truth. So whenever you're creating content, you want to make the best content possible, but you also want to make content that's actually going to thrive, like the ones that come up in suggested searches, the ones that pop up in the search bar. And the best way to do that is just like a quick little tip on my people who are already doing YouTube, or for my people who's about to start doing YouTube. Look around like at certain people that you watch or certain people that's in your field and just see what type of videos they're doing. And once you check that out, once you see what's going on, if you can make similar minded videos, you don't have to steal idea completely, but if you can make similar idea videos, it'll help you push forward because it'll give the YouTube algorithm something to kind of compare it to. So for example, I just dropped a video on top 5 sneakers in my collection or top 5 most expensive shoes. You can do one. You know what I'm saying? Videos like that kind of help you spin out and put you in the algorithm as well. It's just like one quick little tip. Now, for my people who honestly want to know exactly how to be a sneaker YouTuber, honestly, I think that's where like most of my people come from. If anybody else comes from any type of other YouTube history, they comment down below. But this is for my sneaker guys. And the reason why this is for my sneaker guys is because I can ideally identify some things you might have to come through or some great advice for any up and coming YouTubers in that field. Please be different, okay? Because everybody is starting YouTube channels, and as you can see, I'm making a video helping people start YouTube channels, so I'm not against it. I'm for anybody who want to start channels, man. It's lit. It's a lot of work, but it is lit. What I want to tell you guys is please be different, okay? Be authentic. That's the best way to separate yourself, because honestly, we really have no control over who watches us, so it really depends on the viewership of how far we grow anyway. One thing I learned in YouTube is it don't matter how good you think you are or how great your videos come out. If the people ain't rocking with you, you're not going to grow. It's one of those situations where actually growing on YouTube is 100% out of your hands. It's like, it's nothing you can really do. I mean, you can put the best video out, you can edit it the best, have the best lighting, have the best camera equipment, but if they don't rock with it, they're not going to rock with it. They have to like you. They have to choose you. They have to choose you to be the one that they watch on a regular basis. And at this moment, people that you're trying to get attention, people's attention you're trying to get are already on somebody else. They already got their favorite YouTuber they watch for this, or their favorite YouTuber they watch for that. You have to come out different with some type of way or some type of wave to get them away from the normal and try something new. So I mean, that's pretty much it. That's all I really have. Hopefully this video really helped a lot of you guys. I got asked this question, or I got asked to make this video a few times, man, so I'm hoping that these tips can definitely help, because I know for sure if I was coming up, they would have definitely helped me. Make sure you comment down below if anything I missed. Also, you can follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I always link both of those down below in the description, just so you guys can head over there and ask me any questions or follow me on Instagram. Last but not least, if you are new to my channel, man, smash that like button. Also hit the subscribe button so we can hit 100,000 this year, man. We got a long grind ahead of us, but we can make it happen. And until next time, man, it is your boy Sniper Jones, and you know I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous, but who really put in that work though? Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.